Bryce Davidson, Davidson Associates. We are talking personal cyber wire fraud. If you've purchased a home, you've received lots of notifications from the title company warning you about wire fraud. Also, most lending institutions and banks are providing notification about wire fraud and be on alert. Most policies for home insurance or identity theft do not cover wire fraud. The only policies that will cover this are a personal cyber policy, and there are limits to wire fraud. If you are transacting a lot of money, buying a home, a piece of property, you're wiring funds, you're using Zelle, you are using Venmo, you're using Cash App. These are all places where a personal cyber policy, which starts at about $6 a month, for about $10,000 of coverage, will protect you. Personal cyber is very important. Our exposure is really high. If you have questions, please call our team.